Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to share this with you guys. You've seen it on all the social medias, and yes, I went for it. I got it gifted to me over the holidays. I tried it. I loved it. I bought more. We're going to unbox it right now. That is, of course, very well known, you guys. It's all over Instagram. It's all over TikTok. You've probably heard the Kardashians talking about it. They get paid like $1 million every time they say it, right? Every time they say it. But I wanted to know, was the hype? Is it worth the hype? So here's the backstory. Over the holidays, I got gifted some Olaplex, which I haven't really talked about yet, but I will with my empties. And then I got gifted the little sample, I would call it sample, a little at-home size of the K18, and that will also be in my empties. That'll be upcoming for the January empties, but I tried them both, and honestly, liked them both. However, I really liked the K18 better than the Olaplex. So, let's get into what I got. You guys will find I have a referral code or link down below. It's a link. So that information will be all down below. Here's the box. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I just got it. It took them a little while to send it. I will give you guys the warning that it probably took a little over a week to get to me. For them, really, I did the order and it took several days before they actually packaged it and got to me the shipping information. And then when they got it to the US mail service, it only took a couple days to get to me once the mail had it, but it took them a while to put it in a box and get it to me, which is a little annoying. I would say it was at least a solid... Probably, well, I will have a caveat there. There was a federal holiday in there, but it probably took 10 days. Not awful, but it didn't ship instantaneously. If you want that instantaneous payoff, I do have these products linked in my Amazon store. Y'all know Amazon usually ships fairly fast, although lately it's questionable on their shipping as well. So, all right, let's get into it. Excuse me. So I got their little handouts here, and I guess we will use these. So this is the reversing hair damage mask, and you guys, so the difference between K18 and Olaplex, now I used Olaplex 0, 3, and 8. Now Olaplex 0 goes on perfectly clean, but has to be perfectly dry hair, okay? K18 goes on perfectly clean. They want you to double cleanse, but wet hair. So the Olaplex stays on for 10 minutes, and then you apply number 3. So it's 2 products. This one is a single product, goes on wet hair, and within 4 minutes, it's activated, it works, and you can style, do whatever. You can, if you are still in the shower and you want to condition over the top of it, you can do that. If you are out of the shower with the towel dried hair, it's been 4 minutes, you can honestly style your hair as you like. Put a little leave-in conditioner in, put a heat protectant in, whatever you normally do. So they're a little different. Okay, so let's just get into it, you guys. Packing materials, very nice, gone. All right, so this is the first one, and I have not tried this yet. I'm a little nervous. This is one of their shampoos. They have 2 different shampoos. This is their detox. This is their peptide prep detox shampoo. I'm a little scared because, well, let me read it to you and then we'll talk. So it is a color safe, I hope, clarifying shampoo with skincare inspired ingredients to break down dirt, oils, metals like heavy metal buildup, and things left behind from heavy product buildup, like the overuse of, products, over conditioning. And honestly, you guys, I live in the country, hard water deposits, right? And I know I've got hard water buildup from years of living in the country. So I am excited and very nervous to use this. Most people are saying that it's been fine on their color, but a lot of people are like, oh, I color my hair blonde. Well, that's a whole different thing than applying a dark color on your hair. So I'm hoping that this won't strip color, but I kind of expect that it might. If it is going to take the heavy metals off, So I probably will use this sparingly and probably before I go to like recolor my hair, give it a good cleanse, get all the garbage off my hair, and then do a color. So I was like, basically, like I said, I got gifted a little thing of the, which I will show you shortly, the other K18 by my coworker, and she told me she's been trying this, and she also lives in the country and she loves it. She says it is only improving her hair. Now, she and I have completely different hair. I have naturally curly hair. She has stick straight hair. I dye my hair like a reddish mahogany color. She bleaches her hair blonde. So we are literally polar opposites in that regard. So she's the one who turned me on to the K18 that I'm going to show you. And she just told me like 3 weeks ago about this and encouraged me to consider it. So I am a little scared, but I'm trying it. This is 250 milliliters or 8.5 ounces. And you guys, I will put the prices down below. This is less than $40, but it is more than $30. These are not cheap, but you also, you guys, a little bit goes a long way. You have to remember that. I think here in the US, I don't know, I'm not going to say anything else other than I'll just say in the US, we tend to overuse our products. We just waste so much. So a little bit goes a long way. So I'm excited to try that. But the mega one that I'm really, really, really excited, and this one is expensive, you guys. This is the K18 everybody's been talking about, okay? This is their leave-in molecular repair hair mask. This is 50 milliliters. Okay. Let me read from what it says on, and you guys, honestly, what is with the white text on these back, like colored back? It's, and they're tiny. It's hard to read, but not horrible. So K18 peptide, where biotech meets skincare or hair care. Gosh, I can't even read them. Can't even read it. K18 is the world's first patented biotech treatment that renews chemically damaged hair from the inside out in 4 minutes. Okay, so Olaplex and K18 talk about like rebuilding the bond in your hair. Now, K18 doesn't just repair like that outer bond, but it claims to go inside the shaft of your hair and repair that bond that is literally in the center of your hair. I'm not a scientist. I can't speak to that. I don't know if any of their scientific, like all the tests and trials and things that they claim, all the scientific proof, I don't know if it has been independently reviewed by other companies other than themselves. But I love this product, you guys, but it is not cheap. It is not cheap. So they do stand behind it. If you are not happy with it, they will offer you a refund because, y'all, it's like $75 for this, which is insane. And like I said, this one, I don't have it on the packing slip. I think this one, the shampoo, it's either $34, $36, or $38. I'll put it down below in the description and let you guys know. This stuff, like the directions are, you start with very clean hair, okay? Triple, double, at least singly cleanse your hair. No conditioning, okay? You just shampoo, rinse thoroughly, nice clean hair. You can either put this on in the shower or you can wait until you get out, towel dry your hair. You don't want it dripping wet because you'll waste product. But you basically put some on your hand, one pump, and you're going to emulsify it in your hand, okay? Don't just spread it around and put it on. Emulsify it. So really kind of rub 30 seconds maybe, your hands, it'll turn your hands kind of white. And then start and just apply from root to tip. Depending on your hair length, you might need 2 pumps. If you got super duper long hair, you might need 3. But honestly, I found this goes a really long way. Okay, so like 1 pump works really well. You leave it on. Don't do anything to your hair. 4 minutes. Just chill out for 4 minutes. Let it sit. And then go about your business. You can, if you're in the shower and you are like, oh, you know, I always put conditioner on my hair. You can do that. You can condition and then rinse. It's activated. It's in your hair. Or, you know, what I usually do is I'm out of the shower at that point. I've put it in. I just add a little bit of my styling product, whatever I need to use, and leave it Just leave it. So it doesn't need to be washed out, okay? It can go in, stay in, and dry in your hair fine. And you're not going to find any kind of greasy buildup or anything. But if you want to condition, you can do that. It's not the end of the world. So let's see what else I would say. I'm just going to read you how they say to use it. Shampoo and do not condition your hair. So why is that? Well, conditioner, you guys, doesn't soak into your hair. Conditioner leaves a film, right? We're talking product buildup. Leaves a film or a coating over your hair shafts, right? So they don't want that. This needs to penetrate into your hair, right? Get into that cuticle. So shampoo your hair, but don't condition your hair yet, okay? All right? Towel dry your hair, or if you're in the shower, just, really squeeze it out, whatever you got to do. Again, not dripping wet hair, damp hair, towel dried hair. So you use one pump, let it sit on your hair, work it in, let it sit for at least 4 minutes to activate. Don't rinse out. Comb, add product style as usual. They want you to use this in a row, 4 to 6 washes, okay? Now, I know people are like, well, I don't wash my hair every day. Fine. I'm not saying you have to use it 4 to 6 days in a row. 4 to 6 washings in a row, okay? So if you only wash your hair once a week, you're going to do this once for a week for 4 to 6 weeks. My suggestion, though, is at least wash your hair twice a week. You're going to find major improvement. You guys, I was shocked. The first time I used this, my curls all bounced back up. I had so much more curl in my hair than I'd had in a long time. My hair was starting to lose its natural curl. It was really suffering this fall. So this absolutely, and honestly, the Olaplex helped as well restore it. So you might consider shampooing more frequently for the 4 to 6 in a row uses of this, okay? And then you can drop down and use it as needed. If you are a frequent shampooer, you can use it once a week, twice a week. You'll get an idea for how often you need to use it based on what it does for your hair and how much damage you have. If you're bleached, you might need to use this a little bit more frequently to kind of give some life to it. So I have no comments on this one yet. I am very curious to try it. This is ungodly expensive, so be very careful using it. Don't leave this around little children, dogs who might grab it and chew on it. $75, you guys. Obscenely expensive. A little bit goes a very long way. That is the best part about it. So, all right, you guys, let me know what your thoughts are. Honestly, my hair is doing so much better. Like I said, I did use Olaplex. I actually, honestly, because I was waiting for my K18, the last treatment I did, which was on Saturday, was with Olaplex. My hair feels really nice. But honestly, I think this is probably going to be the way I'm going to go from here forward. I liked the Olaplex. I wasn't thrilled with it. I was thrilled with this. So I'll let y'all know on this. Fingers crossed. I've heard good things. So let me know down below in the comments, you guys, if you've used it. Hey, if you got tips and tricks, that's great. Everybody's hair is different. Again, I have naturally curly hair. It's fine. It's chemically treated with color. I don't bleach my hair. I color my hair. I deposit color on. I don't strip color out. So my experience is going to be very different from yours. So again, I do have a link down below. It is a referral link. I would really, really appreciate it, you guys. If you use that link, go directly to their website, or if you use my Amazon, shop my Amazon store. Would really appreciate your support, you guys, okay? I would really appreciate it. It's so hard for us small YouTubers to get, honestly, to get ahead in this world, and it really does help. Shopping through Amazon does not cost you anything more. Shopping with my referral link also does not cost you anything more. Those companies just kick some of their profits back to us. So thank you in advance. Like I said, let me know if you got questions, you guys. Let me know if you're going to try it too. I want to know. All right. Have a great day, you guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.